Hi, I'm Kirsten Romero, registered dietitian with Senior Services of Southeastern Virginia. We're back with Cooking from My Pantry, the Healthy Snacking with Diabetes edition. There are many reasons why we snack. 70% of the time that we find ourselves snacking, we're hungry. 77% of the time, we're simply answering the call of a craving. 70% of the time, we might be treating ourselves to something truly delicious. And about 55% of the time, more than half of the time, we are rewarding ourselves perhaps for a job well done or for something that we've completed or just because we feel we deserve a reward. Treating ourselves, answering cravings, and eating for a reward often leads to eating high-fat food, high-sugar foods, and more of those types of foods. Snacking is truly a favorite American pastime. 97% of Americans snack each and every day. There are good reasons to snack. Snacks can give us nutrients and energy. Sometimes you just need a snack in between meals to fill in that gap. But snacks can also add more calories than we need and can lead to weight gain. The question we really need to ask is, are we choosing healthy snacks and are we snacking for the right reasons? I want to show you an example of two snacks that might seem very similar because of their calorie content. We have on the one side, the left side, the Chobani Strawberry Greek Yogurt. And on the right side, we have Keebler Mini Fudge Stripes 100 calorie pack. The Chobani Strawberry Yogurt actually has 110 calories. But if we walk down the list of the nutrient profile, you'll see that it doesn't have any fat. It contains 16 grams of carbohydrate, a generous serving of 11 grams of protein, and it's a good source of calcium, vitamin D, potassium, and probiotics. This snack will likely leave you feeling satisfied. The other snack, the Fudge Stripes pack, is only 100 calories, so it's less than the yogurt. But it contains 3.5 grams of fat, 2.5 grams of fat, saturated fat, which is not very heart healthy. It also contains 16 grams of carbohydrate, but as you see, it doesn't contain any protein. It's less than 1 gram of protein, and it really doesn't boast containing any nutrients. And even as a dietitian, I can't think of any nutrients that this provides besides some calories. So a boost of energy perhaps, but it's not going to stay with you since there's really no fiber, no protein, and it's a very small bag of cookies. The perfect snack is a snack that provides energy, which is calories, and nutrients. It should include colors of the rainbow. Think about fruits and vegetables and all those wonderful colors. We should see less white and more brown colors in our snacks. Think about all the whole grains and all of that wonderful brown color as opposed to things like white bread and white rice and white bleached flour. Try to use more whole grains in your perfect snack. Think about a combination of some protein and some carbohydrates as well as some heart-healthy fats. These paired together will help to maintain a more stable blood sugar. Try to eat snacks when you're hungry, as opposed to when you're bored, or when you're just craving something, quote unquote, or when you're tired, or when you're thirsty. Oftentimes we don't recognize that little feeling in our stomach or in our mouth or in the back of our throat is actually just thirst. And drinking a big glass of water may lead to you feeling satisfied. So now I've done a snack off where I've taken some healthy items and put them side by side. We have an apple compared to an apple with peanut butter. Please don't get me wrong, an apple is a good snack, but if you have diabetes, you really need something with some staying power for your snack. Again, pairing some carbohydrates with some protein or some heart-healthy fat. The apple has 55 calories, almost no fat, 2.5 grams of fiber, and a little bit of protein. It's a great source of vitamin C. Once you add some peanut butter to it, you do increase the calories and you do increase the fat, but those are some heart-healthy fats there in that peanut butter. And look at the fiber content, how it's gone up over 3 grams of fiber, and the protein is now at 4.3 grams. And not only do you have a good source of vitamin C, but now you also have more potassium, more vitamin E, and of course more fiber and protein. So here are some great snack ideas if you have diabetes or even if you don't. These are some well-balanced snacks that you might want to think about. A new trend is cucumber crackers. Slice your cucumbers thin and you top them with some delicious ingredients like an avocado and some tomato. That avocado is a great source of healthy fat. Celery with nut butter or seed butter. It tastes great with peanut butter, almond butter, sunflower seed butter. Try all different variations. An apple with almond butter or any other nut butter or seed butter. Some almonds with an orange or other nuts if you prefer, or even seeds like sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds. A cheese stick with some whole grain crackers is a great choice. Unsweetened yogurt, preferred Greek yogurt just because it does contain more protein, but any unsweetened yogurt is good. Try some berries in that and maybe some slivered almonds. And then carrots with hummus, always a good choice. Of course, you can mix and match as well. You can have some carrots with peanut butter and you can have some celery with hummus. You can have some crackers with hummus. So you can really interchange and mix and match with these snack ideas, but these are just a few. And now we're going to go into the kitchen and I'm going to show you how to make some of these wonderful snacks.